Sometimes on Facebook, you may have uploaded a cover photo. Sometimes, you may want to change that cover photo. In this video, we'll tell you how to change an already uploaded cover photo on Facebook. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, at the top, you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you click on that, here you'll see your profile name. Click on this profile name. When you click on that, at the top, you can see your cover photo. Click on this cover photo. When you click on that, you'll see 3 options. One is View Cover Photo, one is Upload Photo, and another is Choose Cover Photo. And if you want to upload a cover photo from your gallery, click on Upload Photo. When you click on that, you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, you can select whichever photo you want. But if you've already uploaded a photo to Facebook and you want to make that your cover photo, click on Choose Cover Photo. When you click on that, here you'll see the Uploads option. Click on this. Here, you can see every photo that you've uploaded to your Facebook profile. From these, select the photo you want as your cover photo, click on it, and if you want to adjust it, just drag the photo and you can move it wherever you want. For example, I'm keeping it like this. Anyway, after this, if you want to update this as a post on your profile, you can check this box, share your update to news feed. But if you don't want that, you can uncheck it. Anyway, after that, click on the Save button. When you click on that, your cover photo will be changed. So, this way, you can easily change your cover photo on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.